There are some great views of this area. Let's explore the benefits of the units facing the mountains. Tell me about this.
Well, the one thing nice about the view is we have several units that face directly towards Buddha Hill. This offers you the tropical flora that Pattaya has to offer, and that will never change. This is one thing that will also lower your bill. Every day you will enjoy the morning sun and not have to worry about the bright sun from the afternoon while the sun sets. If you would like to see the sunset, obviously, you can enjoy our rooftop swimming pool and watch it there while enjoying a cocktail.
The building is well underway. What's the update here?
Well, we are standing on the 16th floor now of what will be a 20th floor building. The building is ahead of schedule by 6 months. They are now pouring the swimming pool and should complete the rooftop within the next month.
Any final messages you'd like to share?
Yes, I'm glad you asked that question. Due to the fact that we have sold and completed over 1,000 units, MBK and Matrix are now offering financing for foreigners, so now's your chance to truly buy your dream home.